Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the topic of cell division. So every human body is made up of cells. So that cells which go for any replication or any dividing, that process we are called as cell divisions. So mainly in our human system, there are two types of cell division is there. One is a somatic cell division, another one is a reproductive cell division. Somatic cell division is otherwise called mitotic division. Reproductive cell division is called meiotic cell division. So first we are going to see about the somatic cell division. Somatic cell division is mainly undergoes the nuclear divisions. So cytoplasmic division is called the cytokinesis. In the somatic cell division, two genetically identical cells are produced from the father, from the parental cells. So that dishes we are called as somatic cell division. Somatic cell division replace only dead and injured cells and new ones during the tissue growth. Reproductive cell division, which mainly occur in the germ cells. So mainly we are called as meiosis cell division. The reproductive cell division, otherwise called as meiosis cell division. Here, the parental cells halfly reduced the chromosomes, not the exact copy of the parent, but it will be reduced by half. So next we are going to see about the how the cell cycle events occur in the each stage during the cell division. So cell cycle is a series of changes cells goes through from the time it's from the until it reproduces. That cell cycle period we have to majorly divide it into two phase. One is a interphase, another one is a mitotic phase. So in the interphase, cells are grow and carry its usual activities. In the mitotic phase, it's divided into two cells. So this slide represent the cell cycle events how occur in the during the cell division. Here we are seeing two types of colors. One is violet, another one is a brown color. So here we are represent these are the interphase cycle. Interphase otherwise we have to divide into three stages. One is a G1, another one is a S phase, another one is a G2. G1 is a gap or growth phase, S is a synthesis phase, G2 or gap or growth phase. So here we are seeing first the three cell cycle event. G1 phase, one cell is from the parental to it will get ready to divide. First it will be go for the G1 phase. G1 phase we are cell are metabolically active and it will be ready for the duplication and organelles and cytosolic component and centrosome replication will be begins here. Then after G1 phase is ready, the cell is active, it directly go for the S phase. Some cells it will be inactive, it directly go for the G0 phase. The G0 phase otherwise called its escape from the cell cycle events. So some non-dividing cells is go for the G0 phase. The G0 phase example of the cell RBC is go for 120 days death. So those are the main example for G0 phase. Then after G1 phase is active of the cell, it go for the S phase. During enter into the S phase, it will be take the time for 8 to 10 hours. After it will be enter into the synthesis phase, DNA will be replicated. So the time is 8 hours will be take for the S phase completion. And after S phase completion, it will be directly go for the protein synthesis. That is the G0 phase. Cell growth continue, enzyme and other proteins are synthesized here. Replication is completed in this phase. For this phase it will be take the time of 4 to 6 hours. Then after cell cycle events of interphase is completed, it will be directly go for the mitotic phase. So in before slide we are already told mitotic cell division is otherwise called somatic, that is the body of the cell. So mitotic cell division otherwise we have to divide into four phase. One is a prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So prophase, the cell is ready, only the nuclear membrane, everything will be disappear in the prophase. Then metaphase plate, it will be form the spindle fiber formation and then metaphase fiber formation in this plate. Then anaphase, the chromosomes are in the different shade. L form, V form on that phase. Telophase is a reverse phase of the prophase. The reverse of prophase we are otherwise called the nuclear membrane will be disappear and then plasma membrane everything will be everything will be reappear. It will be change into as like parent cells into the 2 copy of the daughter cells.